Hello, I'm Julian Ranger. I'm the Executive Chairman and founder of Digime. So what is Digime? We're really here to solve three problems. The first is what I call the privacy sharing seesaw. So today, if we want to share data, we have very little privacy. We don't know what's going to happen with our data. And if we want more privacy, which is generally what people want today, and legislation wants, then we have to stop sharing. And that doesn't work for anybody because we want tailored, personalized services. And how can we do it so that any company in the world can innovate on our data privately? It's a very difficult debate. A lot of people wonder how we can do that, because it means that any business anywhere can ask for your data for new services, new applications, what we call value, which is service, convenience, or reward. There is a very simple solution, and that simple solution is at the heart of Digime. So in the debate about control and privacy, it really isn't a debate. People think of it today as if we solve the privacy problem, we'll close down on sharing. What we're showing with Digime is that if you do things properly, if you give the individual the right to have their data, the individual control, you open up the possibilities of sharing. You can do more. You can share your health data and data that you wouldn't otherwise use. You can do it privately. You can even have it all processed on your device because you own the data, so nobody sees your data at all, but can provide new tailored services for you. We're very proud today to be announcing the partnership between Digime and ITC Infotech. ITC Infotech have a worldwide reputation working with Tier 1 businesses, bringing them the latest technology and customer engagement platforms to make those businesses a success. ITC Infotech have looked at the future of personal data, the future of empowerment of the individual, and have seen that this can dramatically enhance the capabilities of the businesses they support. We're very proud that they've selected Digime to represent this future. This fits perfectly with Digime, with our innovation in data for the individual. This is seen rightly as a strategic change across the health, the finance, the insurance industries, and indeed more. By having a strategic partnership with ITC Infotech, we at Digime are enabled to bring this revolution in personal data ownership, privacy, and all the many new capabilities and what that means for a greater value exchange between individuals, businesses, and governments become real.